Hello everyone, welcome to this next question, which is testing on circles. Here you are given the coordinate of the end of one diameter. You are given this point, whereby you are told they are 2, 4, and the other one is negative 2, 6. So you have to find the equation of the circle in this form. So first of all, to do that, we find the midpoint. Midpoint is found by the first coordinate along the x-axis plus the second. In our case, it is 2 plus negative 2. You divide by 2. The other one, it is on the y-axis, it is 4. 4 plus 6, which is 10 divided by 2. So it is 0. 2 plus negative 2 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then from there now, you obtain the radius or the length of this circle, which is obtained by the center and any of these points. You can either use point A or point B. The result will be the same. So it is 0 minus 2. I'm using point A. You square that point plus 5 minus 4, which will give you, so negative 2 squared is 4. 4 minus 1 is 1. 1 squared is 1, which will give you root 5. Alternatively, you could have decided to use this other point here, and the answer will be the same. Since you have 0, even if you 0 minus 2 will give you 2 squared, which is 4. 5 minus 6 is 1, so it will be the same thing. Then, to write the equation in this form, it is x minus the center, which is 0. You square that plus y minus the center, which is 5, is equal to the radius. Then, here when you square, you will get x. This other part here, it is y squared minus 10y plus 25, which is equal to, when you square the radius, it will give you 5, and you take it the other side to give you negative. So x squared minus y squared minus 10 plus, here you have 25 minus 5, it is going to give you 20. So that is how you can write that equation of the circle in that form. So there are 4 steps which are involved here. First of all, get the midpoint. You get the midpoint, which is found by adding x1 plus x2, you divide by 2. Then y1 plus y2, you divide by 2, you get the center. That is the step number 1. Step number 1 is to get the center or the midpoint. So this is the center of our circle. It is 0, 1. And generally it is found by, when you have 2 points, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. That is the center or the midpoint. Once you get the midpoint, now you obtain the length. The length is obtained by subtracting the center minus 1 of the point along the x-axis. You square that, and then you get the square root. Then that will be your length, and the length is equivalent to your radius. Once you have found your radius, then to write your equation in this form, you substitute here. And it is x minus the point at the center along the x-axis, then you square, plus y minus the point at the center along the y-axis. You square, you equate to the radius squared. So the general equation is x minus a squared plus y minus b squared, which is equal to r squared. So that is the general equation of a circle, center A and B, radius r. The general equation is that of a circle, center A, B, radius r. Thanks so much. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. Bye bye. See you in the next presentation as we keep on learning.